Signing into a website should be fairly easy. Just enter the username, and the password should get us into our main page. But sometimes it's not as simple as that. Here we have our global variables with our username storefront and our password stored in our test data. Our steps are going to use those saved values in order to enter them into the username and password field. Unfortunately, this doesn't seem to work quite right. If we take a look at our username field, it doesn't have the saved data that we expect. And if we look at our errors, testRigor says we can't find the input elements named username or password. Maybe we need to get a little more creative on how we are going to interact with those elements. Perhaps the username already has the focus, and we can just type our username in from the keyboard? Then use Enter Enter to move the focus to the password field and then click the Login button. Well, it seems to have worked, except for one problem. When we typed the username, nothing was sent to the input box. All right, what if we use optical character recognition to identify our element and use the mouse to set the focus? We run the test again, but we still don't get any input into the field. Well, maybe we can try live mode. In live mode, we'll go and get the XY coordinate to click on this element to set the focus and then type the username storefront into the field. But again, this doesn't work. Nothing is being entered. So how are we going to deal with this situation? The solution is rather simple. Rather than doing all of this to sign in, we put the username and password directly into the URL as parameters separated by a colon. Now, if we update and retest, we should see that we are able to log in to the website using the parameters in a single line.